I'm running some errand in San Francisco today. Yeah, I just want to show people what the weather is like between San Francisco and my place. And that's the ocean down there. So we're only probably a mile or two or less from the ocean. And it's about 65. And that's the time right there. It's actually 1 o'clock, not 12 o'clock. I didn't change my time. Okay, so the difference. Okay, so we're back at my place 2 hours later after we were in the sunsets in San Francisco. Right here. And it's about 83. So it's about 65 in San Francisco, 83 now, so almost 20-degree difference between here and okay, I'm gonna grab some eggs to make fried rice. So those eggs there are from the hen right there. Thanks to her. And then you grab a couple of eggs. To make fried rice. There's a lot in here. So 6, 8. I'll grab the rest tomorrow. Okay. Now we go grab the long yard beans or the fried rice. Okay, so these beans, they grow so fast. So a few days ago, and now today, look at this, they fan up already. So I'm gonna grab like maybe 10 should be enough for the fried rice. And there's a lot over here. You see? That's amazing. And they're so long too. I think this one might be too late to harvest. Got tangled up. I also picked up some garlic from last year that I grew. Okay, so let me put this camera. Too long with it. To plant seeds for next year. Save up the seed, might be too late. So I think 10 should be enough for fried rice. So long yard beans, so easy to go. Crazy. Look at this. It's like everywhere. This too, you see? This one got 3 strands in here. And the 3 strands from this one. Whoa. There's a lot in the back. Look at that. Look at all this harvest. Wow. Make fried rice for the next few days. Beans are pretty sweet. Fried rice and stir fry shrimp is really good as well for these long yard beans. So I think that's enough to make fried rice. There you go. Eggs, garlic, that's it.